Hi, welcome back to another video. Tonight's video I'm just going to be reballing this chip by hand. To get started you're going to want to add a very small amount of flux. Now it's very important that you add just a small amount of flux here, because if you add too much it will be hard to get the balls to sit into their right pads later on. So after you've added that, you can spread it around with your finger. Okay, now you can add some balls to the chip. And after you've them added, you can start spreading them into their right pads with tweezers. Now this is going to take a while depending on how big the chip is, but like I said, I was asked by a viewer to make this video, and reballing is satisfying. It's easy enough, and you know, it's easy enough to do, and it's satisfying when you get it done. If you can just buy a stencil and do it with solder paste. It's a lot easier, and you know, it's a lot faster. But if you don't have a stencil, you know, you can do it by hand, and like I said, it is kind of satisfying. I am working on a few other videos at the moment. I just said I'd get this video up just to get a video up. I have two PlayStation 4s, and I have a Nintendo Switch that I'm working on at the moment, so I will upload them soon. As you can see here, there's kind of a lot of balls in this area. Sometimes, you know, it is important, if you can, to try and add more balls than is needed on the chip, to have too many, because having too small, like if you don't have enough balls, you're gonna have to add balls at the end, and it just makes it more awkward. So it's better to have more balls at the start and just push them off like this to the sides. Okay, now that that is done, you're going to want to apply some heat. I applied 440 degrees with a very minimum airflow I set, and I started about 10 inches above the chip and work your way in slowly until they stick to the pads. Now again, I use 440 degrees. It might be slightly different on your air station, so now when they've as you can see, a ball fell off here, so if any balls fly away, you can just replace them here. After you get them replaced, then you can just come back in with 440 degrees after you add some more flux and heat the balls up again. Then you can clean it with isopropyl alcohol, and that should be it then. Hopefully I see you in the next video. I'll end it here. Like I said, I have the PlayStation videos coming up and the Switch, so hopefully you stick around. I see you then. Thanks.